Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. This video is for a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. And this one is also in Winter Haven. So if you guys were following me, then I showed you another home that's in Winter Haven. But this one is a 2-story home. So this builder, they're offering $10,000 in closing cost credits. If you guys are actually using, the company that they use for your financing. This is your laundry room right here, and then your your 2-car garage. And also they all include all of your appliances, so like your microwave, stove, your fridge, washer and dryer, your dishwasher. All of this will be included. This house is not done right now, but it will be done soon. So I felt as if I should still record it and show you what it looks like, because you can still see what the layout look like. And the tiling here is so beautiful. I just love this tile. And they're going to put carpet in all of the bedrooms. So you're going to see carpet in these bedrooms. This is the owner suite right here. It's no energy in here right now. So please bear with me while we look at this. You guys will have the his and her double sink. So that's really nice. Also, here is the shower. So this is what the shower look like, the toilet right here, the wet closet, and then also this will be your walk-in closet after they're done. So that is really nice. Let's go ahead and check out some of the other bedrooms in this home. If you guys are interested in this home, definitely call or text me 407-374-2747. I would definitely be happy to help you guys with this process and help you guys purchase this home. Now, actually, it's 2.5 because look, a sneaky little half bath, which is really nice. And that's right by the front door, which is really good. And then you have a closet here also. So that is really nice. I love that. Let's go ahead and check out the upstairs because it's so beautiful. Look, they still haven't put anything on the stairs yet, but they will. So we're in here very early, you guys. Not too early, though, because we can walk up the stairs. If you guys look at some of my other videos, you will see a home where it was literally just framed out. No drywall or anything was up. Now, this is their den. Not the den, the loft. So this is really nice. You can see everything outside. So many different homes out there. But this is your loft. So you can put a TV up right here. Make it the kids' play area. Whatever you want to do. Here's one of the bedrooms. And the closet. And also, here is another full bath. Really nice. Another bedroom. Now this one is 10 minutes away from Legoland too, you guys. So we're in Winter Haven for this one. So you guys are not too far from Orlando still, but you're not paying like the Orlando prices. You're getting a brand new home also. And then they can give you better interest rates too out here. Because this builder, if you guys go with their lender, like FHA, you can get 4.9%, and then also not FHA, but conventional, they can give you a lower 5% interest rate. But you gotta talk to the builder, confirm these, because everybody can't get approved for it. But I hope that you guys love this home. If you guys are interested, please call or text me 407-374-2747, you guys. I'll be happy to help you guys with this process. And I think we already seen that. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.